So shaitan's plan is to distract you. Shaitan's plan is to get you involved in intoxicants. And that's why we say, what do you need to put rolled up, crushed tobacco to your lips for? I was sitting with a group of friends. They left me a few moments ago. Where did they go? Someone says, they just went out to have a puff. Allahu Akbar, my buddies, you're still here, right? May Allah grant us ease. May Allah make it easy for you to quit even a simple cigarette, because it's not as simple as you think it is. I always say, imagine it's illegal to sell simple cigarettes. I said it's not so simple. Let me explain why. Illegal to sell it without writing on it, smoking kills. Am I right or wrong? Smoking kills. Now, how legal do you think it is from an Islamic perspective, if it is illegal to actually sell it to you from a worldly perspective without warning you about it? I'm a Muslim.